Good afternoon to everybody. Thank you for joining us today on Identifix Shop Talk. What we're talking about today is give your shop the gift of information this holiday season. We're joined by our guest, Kyle Krempel from Christian Brothers.
Hi, my name is Kyle Krempel. I am the lead support specialist and regional trainer for Christian Brothers Automotive Corporation.
All right, so what are some of the common challenges in your shop today?
Christian Brothers has 260 plus locations all over the United States. Information is huge, so one of the most common challenges that I see, not only as a trainer, but as a support specialist, is how do I find this information? Where's this information on this vehicle? It becomes a state of contention when you just cannot find the information that you need that you're working on. But we cannot base a 2012 and a 2018 and use the information that we had on that 2014 on the 2018 because advancements in technology is so rampant.